Welcome to Stafford Audi. Today I'd like to show you this approved used 2021 on a 21 plate Audi A6 Avant S-Line 40 TDI 204 PS S-Tronic in Mythos Black metallic. Now this vehicle is an approved used car, so it comes with a minimum of 12 months warranty and 12 months roadside assistance. For more information, contact us now on 01785 899 417. So to start off with, let's take a 360 degree tour of this stunning A6. So first off, at the front we do have the matrix LED headlights with the daytime running lights, which means that everything is visible no matter what time of day it is. We do also have as well the stunning front and rear S-Line bumpers on this vehicle, which really add to the road presence of the car. While looking down, this vehicle does have the 19-inch 5 twin-spoke design alloy wheels, which really complement this Mythos Black paintwork and make the vehicle look extra luxurious. Now standing back from the vehicle, we can see the sleek design of this vehicle as well as the stunning silver roof rails, which are great for any accessories such as a roof box or bikes, and that means that this car is more versatile than ever. We do also have the optional privacy glass on this vehicle, which means that passengers in the back are protected from the sun, and it also means that any items you have in the back are also hidden from view. Now looking in the back, we do have 3 spacious rear seats. The outer 2 do come with ISOFIX points, which would make this a great family car. They do also fold 40-20-40, and we have a wonderful centre armrest there as well to aid comfort. We do also have vents in the back, which means that rear passengers can be extra cool when that aircon is blasting in the summer. Now looking to the rear 3/4, we do have the LED rear lights in this vehicle with the dynamic rear indicators, which as well as looking supremely stylish, are also extremely functional and mean that you remain visible no matter what time of day. Now walking around to the back of the vehicle, we do have a powered tailgate, which is very easy to use. As you can see, I'm opening that from the key there. And when looking inside, we've got plenty of room in there as well, for any suitcases, for golf clubs, or once the seats are folded, for any bikes or larger items if you fancy doing any DIY at the weekend. We do also have the retractable load cover, which does also open and close with the boot, and this means that any items you have in the back are also protected from view. And at the push of a button, the boot closes, and then we stand back to the rear 3/4 and admire once again the rear design of this A6. And then walking down to the side, we can have a look inside and look at the high quality of materials on display. So we do have this stunning brushed aluminium trim in this vehicle, which really stands out against the lovely black. We do also have this gloss black trim on the dash here, which is very luxurious and premium. We do also have as well these part leather seats, which are really comfortable with this under thigh support, and they're also really great at holding you around the corners. These front 2 seats are also electric with electric lumbar support, which is great for those longer drives, especially for that back comfort. And we do also have a memory function on the driver's side, which is great if there's more than one person driving the vehicle. So this completes our initial 360 degree tour of this stunning 2021 Audi A6 Avant. For more information, to get a personalised finance quote or to book a test drive, contact us now on 01785 899 417. For the next part of this video, let's take a look inside this A6 and have a look at the tech that's on offer in this vehicle. So starting off with the window controls, we do have the power rear door locks, making this once again a great family car. We do also have full electric adjustment of those mirrors. They're also electrically heated and electrically folding as well. And then looking at this stunning 3-spoke leather wrap multifunction steering wheel, this means that all of the important controls are right at your fingertips, and it also feels really nice to hold and means that you get that extra sporty drive with this vehicle. So on the left, we do have the controls for that central screen on the dash there. So you've got the top 2 buttons there that go left and right through the different menus. You've got the scroll wheel there, which goes up and down, or also can change the map screen. And you also have to push it to select, and then view changes the view you see on the screen. We've also got our downshift paddle there for the S-Tronic gearbox. And on the right hand side, we've got our upshift there, which is great for changing those gears if you feel that you want that bit more sporty drive. We'd also have as well the controls to the radio. So you've got the swivel dial there, which you can scroll up and down to increase and decrease the volume, push it in to mute it, left and right is seek track, and we also have the controls for our voice control and telephone. Now here we have this lovely central screen here between the 2 analog dials, and you can see things such as your speed, your radio, the vehicle settings, as well as a map screen there. You can also change the view on that, pressing the view button as explained earlier, and this is very simple to use and means you can always find the perfect screen for whatever you need. Now looking down here, we do have the cruise control with the speed limiter on this vehicle, which means that on those longer drives, it's very easy in this car, and you shouldn't get any speeding tickets with that speed limiter on this vehicle. Now looking over at this central infotainment screen here, this is a touch screen. It's very easy to use, very responsive, and we can see things such as our map display there. We can go and have a look at our radio with our digital audio broadcasting radio stations, which means that you should never be short of anything to listen to. We can also have a look at our media there via Bluetooth or USB. We've also got our telephone for those important business calls on the way home. It's very simple to use and very clear speaker system. We've also got our further navigation there, so you can have a look, and it means you're never going to get lost. We've also got our Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, which means that in this vehicle you can connect your vehicle to Spotify. You can also use the Siri to activate key functions, increasing safety and meaning it's just that little bit simpler to do certain things. We've also got on our car display here Audi Drive Select, so if you want to go for that more economy run, you can put the vehicle in efficiency, whereas if you want that more interesting drive, you can put the vehicle in dynamic and get that extra sporty feel in this vehicle. And when you do engage reverse, you do also get a very clear reversing camera with guidelines. So when you turn the wheel, those guidelines do move, which means that you know exactly where the vehicle's going to end up. Now looking down below that, we do have the front controls for the climate control. So this is a dual zone system in the front there, which means that both passengers can have completely different temperatures to each other. Or if you choose to sync it, you can also have those temperatures exactly the same, which means that if there's just the driver in the car, the whole car can be the same temperature. We do also have as well the heated seats in the front of this vehicle, which means that it's very great for those chilly winter mornings and those cold drives to work. Now looking down below that, we do have our shortcut buttons there for things such as our drive select and for our heated windscreen controls, as well as our parking cameras. We do also have there the controls there for the S-tronic automated gearbox. It's very easy to use. We do also have a manual mode, which means that if you want to change gears yourself, that's very easy to do. And we do also have there the electric parking brake as well as auto hold. And looking over to the side, under this cover, we do have two very spacious cup holders with space for the key in the centre. And we do also have a very useful 12-volt socket there, perfect for any accessories. And then behind that, we do have this stunning armrest here, which has got plenty of storage space inside it, as well as two USB-C sockets, which is great for those more modern devices and means they can always remain charged. And the storage space is great for hiding things such as your wallet or keys. So that completes our look today at this 2021 on a 21 plate Audi A6 Avant. For more information, to get a personalised finance quote or to book a test drive with us, contact us now on 01785 899 417. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you at Stafford Audi very soon.